Okay, ladies, here is the Unconquered YPCO excerpt for viola. We're just going to work on this top line for a moment. There are 12 beats in every measure, and every eighth note gets its own beat. So it's counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The counting is a little funky. For this first line, we're going to work watching out for accidentals throughout. And also be sure you write in where you should play a 4 and where you should play opens. So take a moment with your pencil, pause the video, and draw in for the first line, where should I play 4s, where should I play opens, so that throughout all these repetitions, you're playing the same fingering every time. Remember, to make that decision, you look at the note before it and the note after it, and if they're on the same string, like D string and D string, that should be a 4 on D, not an open A. So go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, we're gonna do this a few different ways. First, I'm just gonna play line 1 nice and slow, and you can hear what it's supposed to sound like. Ready, set, go. Right here, you'll play regular 1, low 1 for the G sharp, regular 1, and last line. And let's play that line again. Here's line 1, a little faster, just for your listening. And for a third time, nice and fast, though this is not up to tempo yet. Notice the speed they're going to ask for is very fast. We'll talk about that in a second. Marcato is a chunky, heavy stroke, kind of like a hammer or a drum. So here's the first line, nice and quick. Now you may be asking, how on earth am I supposed to get that fast? We're going to do group plus 1 note, build on work. The notes are grouped in 3 note groups. So I'm just going to play the first group plus 1 note, and I'll start slow. And a little faster. And again. And again. Okay, I got my first group. Now I slow it back down and I play group 1 and group 2 plus 1 note, starting slow again. And again. And each time I go faster. Until I'm going as fast as I can. Next would be group 1, group 2, and group 3, always plus 1 note. And then group 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 note. Each addition, when you add a new group, remember to slow it back down. And I would start very, very, very slow for that. And I would do each new addition 25 times at least. You're going for high repetitions. That's line 1 and how you should practice it. I hope it helps. If you really feel like, man, I'm doing really well, start adding in these dynamic swells.